Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you the September 2021 Glitzglam box, or bag, because technically it's a bag, but we'll call it a box because that's what they named it. Yeah, guess what? I'm chatty today, which never happens. Anyways, super excited to share this with you guys. This subscription box costs $15 a month. I will link all the information down below, so if you guys get one for yourself, you can. All right, so real quick before we get started, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys enjoy my content and encourages them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family, which means, guys, we will hit that 800 subscriber mark and I can share the awesome giveaway that I have put together for you guys with you. So if you're not a member of the YouTube family, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And if you know somebody who enjoys WW weight loss, grocery hauls, shop with me, subscription box unboxings, or product reviews, please feel free to share my videos with them. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on the, like I said, September 2021 Glitzglam bag. Every month it does come in a super shiny mailer. Here's what the inside package looks like. It's always wrapped in tissue paper and it's got a cute little Glitzglam box sticker on there. And it says, "We don't do basic." And guys, no, they do not. This subscription is so fun. It really pushes the limits of makeup for me and I have so much fun with it. So much fun. Let's go ahead and see what we got. If it's dark, guys, I apologize, but it was such a nice night. I wanted to sit on my front porch and share. Every month, you do get a set of eyelashes. This month, we've got Never Basic Lashes by Glitzglam Box. And I don't know if there's a name of these or not. But anyways, that's what they look like. It says, "We don't do basic." It says, "Thank you for purchasing your pair of Glitzglam Box Foam Ink Lashes. The Never Basic Lash is a perfect finishing touch for any glam look. Glitzglam Box lashes are good for up to 20 uses with proper care. Head to glitzglambox.com to secure the glam." Let's open these so you guys can see what they look like. I still haven't been brave enough to try these on yet, but someday I will. Ooh, these are really soft looking. Look at that. These might have to be the first pair I try, guys. For some reason, those are really appealing to me. Usually I get a card with my Glitzglam box that tells me the price values for each item, but I don't have one this time, so not upset about it. It is what it is. Like I said, I love this subscription box. Never been disappointed. And the next thing that you always get in your Glitzglam box is a glitter item. This is what we have for this month. It is by Hot Kitty Beauty. There's their information. I'll also link it down below in the description like I always do. And this is cosmetic glitter. So that is what that looks like there. You can kind of see it. It's definitely shiny. Imagine that for glitter. Oh, and it's got a seal on it, so I am not going to take that off. Very pretty, very pink. It says, "Apply small amount of adhesive on desired area and add glitter on top of the adhesive with the finger or makeup brush." So I suppose you could do it, I mean, I don't know. Is this one of the things that you'd use on your eyelashes? Makeup friends, unite and help Chaos Jen out. Where do you put the glitter? I mean, if you're going to use adhesive, I mean, isn't that what people do on their eyelids when they're doing like a fancy eyeshadow look? They put it, like, they put down the glitter glue and then, yeah, I'm rambling. So anywho, if you guys know where you put this, let me know. I keep looking for the card. Next, we've got Color Glide Rich and Silky Lipstick. These are some pretty colors. With as bright and bold as this box can be, they definitely offer some neutral tones for those of us who are not as courageous with the color. This is what it looks like. Aren't those pretty? I should have brought my box cutter out. I didn't think I was going to need it. It says Color Glide Rich and Silky Lipstick Rouge à la Lèvres. I'm sure I did not say that right, but anyways, didn't I sound fancy? It's not even a la. I like mixed some Spanish and French all in one there. You didn't know Chaos Jen was so fancy, did you? Oh, we've got 2 lip crayons here. Are they the same color? No, one is just a little bit lighter than the other one. Can you see the difference in the colors there, guys? The one on top is just a little bit lighter. I'm not going to swatch these because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep them or put them in a giveaway. But yeah, they're definitely pretty. Definitely pretty. I wish I could tell you how much these are all worth, guys. I'm telling you what, the price values or the price points for the Glitzglam box, which is only $15, and the products, it is such a great deal. Such a great deal. And then almost every month you get a palette. Last month I think we got a really awesome lip duo and some mascara instead, and we actually got to choose the lip color that we wanted and the type of mascara that we wanted. So we didn't get the palette, but palettes are back. Let me go ahead and take this out of the packaging. Again, this is by Color Story, and it is called Escapism Pressed Pigment Palette. See that? Gosh, I hope it's not too dark. I'm going to be so bummed if you guys can't get the full effect of this. I love the colors on this, and I can already tell by looking at the back that I'm going to love the Color Story. I knew I would. I knew I would. So it does have a mirror on top. I don't have any way to cover that, so if I blind you, I apologize. I will do my best not to. I'm going to go ahead and take the color protector off, or at least pull it to the side. And guys, look at these colors. Are those not beautiful? Beautiful. Perfect for fall with a little bit of bright, well, I guess, yeah. Perfect for fall with a little pop of color. Typical Glitzglam box eyeshadow palettes. I love it. Looks like we do have some shimmers and a lot of mattes. So very, very, very pretty. Some of the names, we've got Pure Joy, Sunflower Fields, Desires, Thrills, Romances, Storyteller. Look at this color right here. This purple is called Fantasy. And then down here, this nice warm maroon tone. I don't even think maroon would be the right color. I don't know what you would call it, but it's called Fiction. So very excited to have this palette to add to my collection, and I'm going to get braver one of these days with my eye looks, and y'all are going to be so surprised. I'm going to make it a goal. Mark my words, YouTube friends. Next month, when Chaos Jen opens her Glitzglam box, she's going to have a very creative eye makeup look, and yeah, I'm going to do it. Faux lashes. Faux lashes and a really brightly colored eye makeup look. I'm going to do it. My promise to you. Look for that in October 2021. Glitzglam box. Is that exciting? So anyways, rambling per usual. Let me just go through what we got again really quick. We've got this super cute Escapism palette. Here are the colors on that, just in case you forgot. Dun, 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 dun. We've got these very, very cute Glitzglam box eyelashes. There we go. That might make more sense. We've got some pink eyeshadow, or pink glitter. I'm going to have to get some glitter glue so we can do that. And then we've got these really cute lipstick colors by Color Story. Alright guys, there you have it. The September 2021 Glitzglam box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, $15 a month. And the products that you get are just outstanding. It's always worth the price. Always worth it. The value is always so much more. I mean, you can't go wrong with this box. So, if you guys choose to use a link down below and get your own, let me know, and let me know what you think of your products. Alright guys, that is it. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the thumbs up, subscribe button thing, I would truly appreciate it. And until next time guys, keep smiling. Bye.